Hi everybody, Alex Deploy here from Expert Forex, and as you can see on the slide, I'm going to be talking about the Forex Dream Machine that has just produced 126% in only 2 months as traded by one of our clients. So here you can see it's 59 days of trading. There are the results. There's the chart showing the cumulative profit that's been banked, and even the opening deals are nicely positive. Now, the one big thing about this EA is that it is incredibly beginner friendly. It is the ideal EA to use if you have no Forex trading experience, or if you don't want to get involved in the technical side of optimizations, looking for settings and that type of thing. The EA basically can be run from 2 settings. All you do is you need to select your strategy that you want to follow, and there are 6 strategies. You can either do an aggressive, a balanced or conservative strategy using either the 1 hour or the 4 hour. So that's really simple. You just choose a strategy and then you choose how much you want to risk. You can use the defaults that are there, or as you can see there's a guide there that says you should use so many lots for every $300 in your account. So there is a guide for how much you should be risking. So a beginner can basically just go to these settings, select what they want. It doesn't matter which one because they're all positive, and they can then go and select how much they want to risk, and that's it. It's a true plug and play. They don't have to do anything from then on. And here are some of the results that we're currently experiencing from our monitoring accounts. Our monitoring accounts is basically running all these various settings. For instance, as you can see on the monitoring, that's an aggressive 1 hour setting and so on. And then there's also some settings that are using 4% risk, and you can see the results over there. The 4% risk accounts have been running for a very short period, most probably less than a month, and the others have been running for approximately 7 months. And you can see the nicely positive results that have come through there. Now, how does the Dream Machine work? And look, if you're a beginner, you don't even need to know this, but just out of interest, how it works is on your chart, you can see some lines that look like spaghetti, and in fact, that's how they sometimes get referred to, and they represent the strength and weakness of a particular currency in the Forex market. So, for instance, I'll just start here. That could be the pound, and that could be the yen. So it's saying the pound is very strong, the yen is very weak. So what the EA does, he says, well, we know that these conditions cannot remain constant. You can see throughout here, these peaks do not remain constant. So when we have a peak like that and a valley like that, we sell the pound and we buy the yen, and what happens? The pound dives down, the yen strengthens, and sooner or later they equalize, and that's how the trades happen. So you look at this one here, there's a strong currency, not sure what it is, it might be the euro, and there's another strong currency, there's a weak currency, it might be the Oz, and we then say, okay, we're going to sell the euro and buy the Oz, and sooner or later they cross here and become equal again. And so on, and you can just go through here. Here's another strong one, and there's actually 2 weak currencies that could be traded at that particular point. Again, we would sell the strong one, buy the weak one, and sooner or later those will cross. So very easy to understand how this EA works and why it is so successful. Now, if we go to our Forex trading setups form, there are a few clients that have posted their results on the Dream Machine. Here's one, and this is in fact the one that's featured in this video. You can see the results have actually improved. They've gone from 126 to 127, and there's the chart. And let's go and have a look at some of the other clients. And here's another one. I'll just click on that, see how that one's going. And again, this one has also been going 62 days. This one has only produced 42% return. It all depends on which settings you're using and which lot sizing you're using, depending on your results. But they're a nice healthy 42% gain there. And let's go and have a look at the next one. And oh, here's a nice 83% gain on this particular one. So as you can see, it's very easy to trade. The clients find it easy. They're getting really good results. If you want more details, please go on to our website. There it is. It's the automatedmt4indicators.com website, and then go into the Forex Dream Machine. You can read a little bit more about the Dream Machine, and you can actually purchase it on that particular website. We also have some special deals going where there's 80% off a bundle of 17 EAs. The Dream Machine is one of those particular EAs, and we also have a 60% off bundle of 3 EAs, of which the Dream Machine is one of those EAs. So you can purchase it in various ways. Now, I've just made this video to make you aware that the Dream Machine has improved dramatically in the last few months, and the results that we are getting are really good. They are actually starting to catch the Make Money EA, which has been the top EA for a number of months, and it is now starting to catch up with that particular EA. So from me, Alex Deploy, hope you enjoyed this video, and cheerio.